just steal some of my mom, my mom, her mommy, my mom and her mommy, they didn't see each other.
Why?
Her mom died.
Oh.
I want to see her, but she already died.
That's sad.
I really miss her.
Hmm.
But my lolo is sick. Its named Papush, but the mother of my mom is named Judy.
Ah.
But my lolo is Berting, but Papush tawag sa kanya.
Dapat you take care of your lolo.
I want to look at Mama Ju. You know where I can see her lang?
Where?
On a picture.
Nah. Kasi she's dead na.
But I saw her already in the picture.
It's okay.
I'm already happy there looking at her in the picture.
That's good.
Before their husband and wife. And then pinakasalan niya na yung wawa ko eh.
Mm.
Kasi wala na siya eh. I think he wants to die because he for smoking is not stopping.
Nah.
I want to tapon his cigarette para I can feel better.
Si your lolo?
Yes.
Dapat you tell your lolo,
Hindi,
stop
ayaw
smoking.
niya.
Why?
Ayaw na kasi gusto niya talaga mag-cigarette eh.
Dapat you should tell your lolo that cigarette is bad. Para
But we picture.
Lolo, you will feel better if you stop smoking.
But wait lang. May sabihin ako.
Okay.
May pwede mong iniisip sa cellphone ko. But may ganun ka o para kunwari may iniisip ka.
Yes. Tapos?
Ganto. Exit ko muna to. Ito magpe-painting ako. Ganto yun o.
Sige nga, draw mo nga.
Ganto. Ganyan yun.
Ah! Okay. What do you call that?
I don't know, but may ganyan lang yun. But may iniisip yung lolo ko.
Na?
Cigarette.
Cigarette pa rin yung iniisip?
And sa cellphone ko lang pinicture eh.
Oh.
Yung mami ko nag-picture eh.
Tapos nilagyan nyo ng ganon, yung nag-iisip like that?
But i-drawing ko na lang muna.